What's up, buddy? Gotta love Yellowstone. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to hook the four-wheel campers up to camp water supply. Like that. You see right here. So this is where you would plug in your water here if you want to run the camp water, or if you just want to fill up your 20-gallon tank. So you would just go like that, fill up your tank. So we're going to go ahead and just run off of camp water. So you turn this water on. Alright, so to get pressure and hot water, you turn the water pump on and turn your hot water furnace on. And just like that, you have water from the campsite going to your tanks. You can see the water coming out. So here is an example of how the gray water from the sink is draining through this hose that they provide you here into a plastic bag kind of bucket thing, so it doesn't go everywhere in the campsite. Then you can carry that over to a tree or over to a toilet or a sink and dump it. Or you could just let the water run onto the ground if you had gravel. Alright, so when you're filling your tank, you just put the nozzle up like this, turn the water on slowly, and you're going to hear it gurgling. When you hear the gurgling become strong, that's when you turn it off. Oh, turn it off, turn it off. See how it spits out? See that water spitting out? That lets you know it's full. And it gurgles loud. And just like that, your tanks are full.